We heard from two doctors today who evaluated Lindsay Clancy in the days and month after the children were killed. Her defense argues that she was in a psychotic state, so mental health testimony could prove pivotal to the jury. Day 5 of the Lindsay Clancy murder trial and some of the first witnesses to testify about Clancy's mental illness.
Last visit with her was February 22nd.
Two psychiatrists took the stand, testifying about their evaluations in the days and month after Clancy allegedly killed her 3 children in the basement of their Duxbury home. She then cut her wrists and neck, jumping out a second-floor bedroom window, leaving her paralyzed. Her defense attorney argues Clancy was suffering from postpartum psychosis.
We asked her, how are you feeling? Horrified. And then she wrote down, do I have an attorney?
The Brigham and Women's doctor assessed Clancy 2 days after the killing when she was still intubated in the hospital.
In your conversation with Ms. Clancy, did you notice any internal or external signs of psychosis?
At the time, I documented that I did not note those.
On cross-examination, the defense pointed out the doctor only visited with Clancy once, and that lasted 20 to 30 minutes. The prosecution also called state police investigators to the stand who searched the Duxbury home and found journals handwritten by Clancy. The defense highlighted other portions of the journal.
I now have horrible insomnia and anxiety, which is causing depression. I have no appetite. I don't know what's wrong with me. I want help. I want to be well.
Now, we do expect to hear from more doctors and experts about mental health, specifically postpartum psychosis. Court resumes tomorrow. Live in Plymouth, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.
Thank you, Sarah. As Sarah mentioned, there's discussion about postpartum depression, postpartum psychosis, thoughts of suicide in this trial. Postpartum support is available by calling 800-944-4773. The National Suicide Crisis Lifeline is available anytime, day or night, by dialing 988. Sarah is following every step from the courtroom. You can read her notes and watch key moments from the trial on our app and on Very Local. Just click on the Clancy story on the homepage.